Hello. Good morning, everybody. I don't know why he always does that dumb idiot shit, bro. Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Happy Independence Day Eve. To be honest, not looking to do too much today. Um, I'm assuming the volume is gonna be pretty beat. Um, I mean, such a this is such a nasty setup so early in the morning, bro. Like, I'm not taking that. But like, you could have taken the break of 550 5562, the break of 5562 with the retouch, and then you would have printed off open. Same with the NQ, right? One of the best setups that we like. One of our favorite setups is that way, that way. Oh, one of our favorite setups is this, that, this, and then up. Um, but it's 9:30. You know, I'm not gonna take that this early. Pretty unfortunate because it would have paid pretty fat. That's alright, guys.
Want to get a new job?
A Google Career Certificate can help you get a job in cybersecurity.
IT support.
They are pushing Pete out the bat, man. Appreciate you guys for stopping by. Make sure you guys double tap the screen. It really helps me out. Um, I mean, honestly, that was probably the only trade that was worth taking. This little double bottom here. So if you took that, anyone take longs? Anyone take longs off of 20,210 on NQ? Because if you did, man. Honestly, I don't really see them presenting us with a better opportunity than that. But we will wait and see. How you guys feeling today? What you guys got planned for the 4th of July?
Metro presents a tale of two wireless customers.
I've been a loyal customer since today.
Forever.
Which means I get
all the deals.
absolutely no deals.
It's like they totally.
Jesus, bro. I mean, like, what is that? That's like a 70-point candle, bro. 70 points in one candle. Like, imagine getting paid. I don't even know what 70 points equates to. Probably like, I don't know, a lot of fucking money. That's alright. That's alright. On the bright side, the trade worked in my head. I appreciate you guys for joining. It means a lot if you guys double tap that stream for me. It helps me out a lot. Trying to get a pullback. I kind of want to bid it. Cannot lie to you. Ah! I was actually just about to bid that.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's all I wanted, guys. Just wanted 70 bucks. Just a little $70 scalp. That's all I wanted. You know, just a quick little scalpy. That honestly might be the only trade I take today. $467, $671. One PA is at 600 in profit, and The other one is about like 400. So we're up like $1,000 in total across our PAs. I obviously could have held that for more, but that's alright. Don't forget to double tap that like, double tap that screen. I kind of wish I held on to it longer, but I didn't like how long it was taking for it to kind of like reverse. I am trading 2 PAs, guys, so everything that I make that you see on the screen is multiplied by 2. So the $60 scalp was really a $120 scalp. That should have been held for longer, but that was a good short as well, off 267. I wasn't even thinking short, but that short would have worked out as well. One for one on longs, baby. What do you guys trade? And you guys trading futures or specific stocks? Here, I'll look at SPY for you guys because I know you guys like to trade a little SPY. SPY, I mean, there's really nothing to do here. I personally am not shorting this market just because we're in a bull market and we have been for the past couple months. So I've just been looking for longs all the time. So for here, I wouldn't really do anything unless we break out of this range. So like a breakout and a retest. Or if they roll it over all the way, I would be looking around like 548.58 for longs. 548.3 to 548.5. This zone right here. Starting to roll it over. You know, QQQ, essentially the same thing. I'm not really touching it unless we break out and pull back. So if we get like a breakout pullback entry, or if we just roll it over to about 486. So if we get it to like 486, I like bounces here. Why bounce here? Because you have like this line of support, right? I mean, yeah, we could bounce here as well, but this one's not as strong as this bottom one. The biggest thing about trading is that you just have to keep doing it until one day it finally clicks. And for me, it clicked. Like I can see all this so clearly. Like you don't want to buy into like this area, right? So you don't want to touch anything in this area because it can go either way. What you really want to do is mark out your levels and just wait for price to hit, and then we bounce. Or you could do like a breakout, pull back to the prior high, and then we go back. The market is literally it's just being able to survive long enough to where you've mastered trading. Oh my god, I forgot. I'm kind of liking the dip by 38 area. This is a setup I got yesterday. This is exactly what happened yesterday, and I printed. I'll show y'all where. It was right here. So we pushed up, we wicked off the level once, we did it twice, and then I got long right here and cut it right here. So let's see if they do it again. Yo, thank you, thank you. Appreciate that follow. Please. This also has the potential of being a banging short. Short entry would have been at 262, and then you would need this to follow through down. But only thing I don't like about the short side of this is these two wicks down here. I'm kind of liking the bull trap here. Levels, guys. Levels is the biggest thing. Mark down levels and just don't trade until price hits your levels. Yeah, they're about to blast it, bro. Appreciate the likes, guys. Means a lot. I think they're kind of setting it up for a bull trap. Getting along right there. Boom. They can't break this candle down, then we're gonna fucking bust a new one. Just an opinion. Oh yeah. If this goes and then we get like a retouch of 267, I think I'll get long.
Overnight becoming
The waiting game. There she goes. Fucking knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Where did I say get long? Like 265? Damn, there's like no volume. 265 to here is 275. That's only 10 points. What the hell? 260. There's like no volume, bro. I knew it, guys. I fucking knew it. I should have just got long. So some of the best traps are bull traps, right? So a bull trap is when we're inching higher, as clear as day is here, you know, like I said, and then most of the time you'll get this setup, right? So you'll go up one, down, and then back up, which is right here, right? This is the back up. You have my line, there's my line, the double top essentially. So this is a bull trap. So we get caught, we start to go down, everyone's getting short right here. When in realistically we're gonna keep going up. So these guys are just gonna get stopped out, bull trap, boom. Which is literally what happened here. A successful setup um, that these usually come in, you look like this. It's literally just up, down, back up, and then back down. So that's what we were going for here, but instead it was a bull trap. And then you may ask, like, how do you know when it's going to be a bull trap? Yada, yada, yada. That's when it comes down to, the environment, like what's recently been happening, yesterday's action, where we closed, etc. Um, so for example, all last night we've been holding this level, this 5562 level. And same with NQ, we've been holding the 20,207 level. We held that all night, so that gives you a clear indication that they want to hold it up here. Like they're not retracing it. We're still very bullish. We have been for the past couple months. I know the past week or so, it's been, I know a lot of rookies are probably saying it's a bear market when in reality it's not. Um, with how green we have been, 4 days of red is not gonna make us a bear market. So we're still a bull market. The fact that we hold up these levels, the fact that we didn't break this down again this morning, um, it's just clear indication that, don't short that, right? Like, don't short that. But if it was like last week or the week before when we were actually bleeding a lot, that's a good, that's semi good. That's when you would want to short it. I want you out of my head. I want you out of my bed all the night. Disgusting, bro. The retouch. The retouch and the launch, bro. I missed it. Fuck. But again, guys, I mean, if you guys are just starting out, these are all things that you will learn by simply just trading every day. Not even trading every day, just by looking at the market and just, if you lose a trade, understand why you lost it, understand where you should have gotten in, understand like why the price action happened. Like, literally the way to being profitable and the way to success in trading is finding out what makes you wrong, what makes you lose money, and literally do the opposite of those things. For example, some of my rules, like I never trade during lunch. I've never found success. I've always found myself losing money between the hours of like 11:30 to about 1. So I don't trade during that time. Recently, I also like started to not trade during like after hours as well because I've realized that I like volume. Short, you're out of your mind if you say short, bro. You see what happened to short here? They got effed by the bull trap. Zoom out? What do you mean zoom out, bro? We've been balancing at highs. Why on earth would I short it? On the 4 hour? Yeah, balancing at highs. At the top of a range after we dipped a failed breakdown and we bought it all the way back. Why on earth would I short this? This is a bull flag about to break out. You know what's about to happen here? We're about to do one of these. In the next month or so, we're about to fucking break out to the universe. Hence why we didn't break anything down last night. Hence why we rallied all day yesterday. Like these are just things you can't ignore. Yeah, I used to be very bearish too, but when they couldn't follow through with this, when you can't follow with a simple pullback follow through and you keep holding levels and make higher highs and then hold the top of the range, nah, bro, I'm not shorting shit. Look at this. We're still a leg up too. Like we're still ranging at all-time highs. Like that shit is crazy. You gotta be a little bit of a rookie to short this market, tell you what. If you not long, you wrong, baby. Like, look at the daily, bro. Like, look at the daily. Like, the daily wicked off 207 is about to bust a fat one, bro. Like, we're about to go. I mean, look at that bull flag, dude. Passionate about it. I need some water from this from all this yelling. What did we reject? We rejected. Oh, we rejected 5580. I know, bro. We're so overextended, you know, but there's still. That was a good short, dude. Hopefully you caught the tippity top of it, because they definitely made shorts a difficult one here. I'm beyond bullish, bro. Like I just, I trade the market, right? Like I don't try to, determine a bias and like strictly stay to that bias, right? Like before this bull rally, I was insanely short. Probably since like January for a couple months, bro. I was like, we need a pullback. There should be a pullback happening, and I was shorting, 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 and it just never worked. All I do is day trade, bro. I mean, look at that. They try to break it down again, and they fucking buy it all back. Like that shit is insane, dude. Like we're at the point where you can buy high and just sell higher. Like shit is insane. Like look. Insanity. And look at VIX, bro. VIX is at 1197. Oh, we had news this morning? What's today? Wednesday. Factory orders, ISMs versus. Yeah, we did have some baby news. I don't know, bro. If I was you, I would have definitely taken profit. Right there, right down at these prior wicks. 20090. 20090. Yeah, I'm about to be done for the day too, bro. I took like a $66 scalp. Could have made more on this long right here, but we got out early because I didn't like the way how I didn't like how long it was taking. We probably just get chopped the rest of the day, honestly. I'll probably just come back at like 1. Nice, bro. I could see the short working to about 207. That would be pretty sick for you. 207 to this yellow line. Jeez, bro. They've definitely followed through. We have different brokers for different values, but same candle TP. Are you sure? Are you on the right contracts? Or are you on NQU? Honestly, yeah, that'd be sick. Oh, okay. I'm on a Forex broker. I see, I see. Well, good shit, bro. I hope it works out for you. They're probably gonna make it a bitch though. They never make it easy. Drinking St. Friends on Friday. I am gonna call it here, guys. I don't wanna. Sick, dude. And is that on futures, right? You trade futures as well? By the fucking dip. Forex. Okay. Dope. I don't know much about Forex, bro, but I can sure show you how to chart a graph and read one. What time market close today? Don't they close at like 12 or something? Inverse of Paris. Sick. Honestly, yo, what's up, Thomas? Honestly, I don't know. I just never really got into it. 10 a.m. PST, 1 p.m. Eastern. Gotcha. 1 p.m. 1 p.m. Pretty short will probably work now. Definitely did not make it easy. Alright, guys, I am gonna call it. I appreciate y'all for joining. It was nice talking to you, M. Didn't mean it. I wasn't going off on you or anything. I was passionate about my bullishness. Futures is cool, but cons are expensive. Forex you can lower risk, so it's better IMO. True, true. I trade futures through a prop firm, so cons are expensive, but like you can make more money as long as you know what you're doing, obviously. Bias is bias. You're right. Don't get me wrong, I want to be bearish, and I think the market needs a bearish um, time to for it to be healthy, because you know we're literally just balancing at highs. You know, like we could see as low. Yeah, appreciate the follow. Um, like look at where we are right now. This is on the daily. Like we need to clean this up so much. Like we need to go down to at least like 18,260. Like this market needs a lot of correction. I'm up 6% on the count. Hell yeah, dude. Good shit. Yeah, I agree, especially with the United States election this year. Um, I just find it hard to believe that they do anything before August. But I do agree with you 100%. Just know, bro, there's gonna be so much wealth created. There's gonna be so much wealth created when we start to pull back, because all you do is literally short the pops and get paid. I have been perfecting my long my longing technique slash strategy, so I am gonna have to tighten up whenever it's bearish season. Kind of get used to that more. 19,965. What about it? $19,965. I'm not against it, because that lines up with 5,542 on ES, which is this. Oh wait, which is 1965. No, yeah, I agree. I'm not against it, especially with the shit week. I can definitely see us going back to there, the DXY. Not gonna lie, bro. I don't even look at this shit. The DXY. What do you base your levels on? Um, I'll show you here shortly, bro. You need to. What does it do? Like, how do you use this with your trading? Is inverse of our futures. Got it. I mean, that's what I use VIX for. It's like VIX but more accurate. Gotcha. Okay, I see. I was trying to look at it and try to implement it and just see how it works. Um, Appreciate that, dude. I actually had no idea. I didn't know that. What do you base your levels on? Bro, just go to higher time frames and literally find areas that the market loves to touch. So if you were to go down here, I'm not going to show you up here because I already have levels there, but if I was to go down here, you know, they don't have to be absolutely perfect, especially starting out. Kind of just, you know, draw some and, you know, see if the market responds to them and whatnot. But for here, I would do there. Um, Definitely here. I also like whole numbers, so I try to put it like on a whole number. I think that would be the only two lines, and maybe just this one for fun. So look, boom, I got three lines right there. How? I'm on the 1 hour. You can even go to the 4 hour and do it. What the fuck? But I'm not. I'm gonna do it 1 hour. Why did I put the lines there? So look, you look over here, it's like a floor almost. You got 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. And then over here it was a prior resistance, so you got 1 touch and then almost a couple touches here. Same thing down here. You got this little touch, you got a little touch of resistance here, you got pullback here, another pullback touch. Another pullback touch, another one. You kind of see it acted like resistance a little bit here. Another breakout pullback touch, and same thing as here. You got 1 touch here, another touch here, a baby touch here. You know, it would be smart to make levels. I think the easiest way in the world to trade, especially as a beginner, is to just mark levels, wait for price to get there, see how it reacts, and go long or short. So for example, this morning, I have a level here. This morning I have a level here. Um, Literally we bounced off it once, pulled back, bounced off it twice. And that's it. Same thing here. Boom. Like this bullshit right here, like we're not touching any of this. The only thing we would wait for is this. You got a Discord? Yeah, bro. It's in my bio. It's completely free. It's very beginner friendly. It's very one-on-one personal. Um, there's like 12 people in there. Um, but yeah, I would love to help you guys out with any questions, any charting in my bio. Yeah, but this is what I mean about the shorts. They just make it a pain in the ass. Like this is just clear signs that they want higher. You guys have to understand that things happen in the market for a reason, man. Ask me, baby. Risk to reward wise, would you rather buy the highs or short the highs? Well, again, like it depends. The sentiment, the session, you know, what kind of market we're in. I never buy the highs, and I never short the lows because it's just, you know, it's just a recipe for disaster and it will never work. I mean, it'll work like 1 out of 1,000 times. Buy low, sell high. I think I said that wrong. No matter what happens, if I want to long something, I'm going to wait for a pullback. And if I want to short something, I'm going to wait for a bounce. Yeah, but I'm not just gonna blindly short because we're at the highs, right? Like I want, like for example here, I would rather I would rather be long from the pullback with the trailing stop with with more confidence that we're gonna keep going up, rather than, you know, shorting it because we're at the highs and then getting stopped out because they just buy it back. I just find that to be a little annoying. Yeah, that's okay. Me personally, I hate, yeah, bro, QQQ is on the moon. Yeah, we do trade definitely. I hate drawdown, right? So a lot of times, like I'm scalping or I'm still in a trade because of momentum. So I usually try to catch moves that don't have drawdown. For example, like this little pullback with the wicks. I said this earlier, I don't know if you caught this, but I caught not the same exact play, but I somewhat caught the same exact play yesterday, and I made like 260. what I'm seeing is we cleared EQ. I don't even know what that means, to be honest, for today. None of the candles forming or holding above. I hope you're not talking about this because they try to break it down twice. Yeah, bro, but like look at it this way. Like we try to break it down 2 times. And the first time they wicked it. The second time they shot a green candle right back. The green candle closed above my 267 level, and now, we're still going. See what I mean? Like, look at this shit. Like, you cannot tell me this doesn't look bullish. Nasty wick. The best thing we'll get is a pullback to 267. Like one of these, a pullback 267, and then boom. Yeah, bro, and news couldn't even break us down. So it's just like, that's what I mean though. Like, I understand what you're saying, but you also have to understand what I'm saying, right? Like, I would love to be bearish, but they're just giving us too many reasons to not. Like, would you short this again, like right here? No, right? I mean, could it work? Yes. But the probability of it, stopping you out before it does is very high. Turtle soup on the 5 minute? I don't even know what that means. Turtle soup. A pullback to 267 though, I might buy. I'm a ICT trader element, my fault. True. Yeah, I don't really have like a label, if you will, to what kind of trader I am. I'm a price action slash volume slash specific setups kind of guy. I've been watching the markets every day for the past 3 years to where I'm able to recognize what I want and what I don't. He said, also I'm muted. How do you get like a fresh legit Discord link? You just have to reset it. Damn, you're telling me my shit's been expired this whole time? No one could be able to join my shit. Alright, I just fixed it, hopefully. Next candle, I might look for a little scalpy scalp. Is it made on Wi-Fi? $292. Got that. The link is expired in your link tree in your Instagram. It's expired. Bro, I got a remote job and I have not been doing jack shit for it. You can just DM me an invite or something. Like a link. To bid or to not bid? To bid or to not bid? Probably not bid, but I'm gonna regret not bid, probably. That's okay. How can I join, bro? I was about to say, how the fuck you got my Discord? Sick, bro. How what you call it? How many how long have you had it for? Like how long did it take you to get 60 people in here? Just started 2 to 3 weeks ago. Damn, nice, bro. How do you get 60 people in 2 to 3 weeks? I've had a Discord made for a year though. True, true. So what, you just started, no, I feel that shit for sure. You just been advertising it through like TikToks and stuff, marketing it? Instagram, true. Or I told you, we would have regretted that. I told you. 252 to 267. What is that, like 15 points we missed out on? That's okay though. But through tip Twitter as well. Dope, bro. Maybe we can help each other out or something. I'm trying to get shit going. I'd be posting on like everything. I knew it, guys. I knew it. I'm gonna head out though. This shit is killing my brain. And I don't want to watch what could have been pumping. Yes, sir. I need to go. I need to post more on TikTok so I can go live there. Yeah, bro, for sure. It's literally so easy too. Bro, honestly, even if you wanted to, you could go to like on Google and literally like search up TikTok followers and buy 1,000. It's pretty cheap, and then you can just start going live. $66 times 2 PA counts. What is that, like 120, 132, I think, something like that. 132 on the day. Dope, bro, dope. All right, guys. You guys have a good rest of your week. Have a good 4th of July tomorrow. Stay safe, and I will catch you guys on Friday morning for the live. Appreciate you for joining. It was good talking to you guys. Take it easy, M. See you, dog. Hit me up. Y'all take care.